Body language and first impression. Let's know more about this. We all interpret body language subconsciously most of the time. Your body language plays a significant role in your first impression. Whenever you notice body language, you must take everything into consideration and nothing in isolation. Attitude, tone of voice, what is said, how people look when they say it, what they are trying to achieve when they are saying it, what their positive intention is, and how well you know them. The better we know people, the better we can read their body language. Understanding nonverbal communication improves with practice. There are some important elements in body language which can improve your compassionate communication, such as visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, tone of voice, eye contact, use of space, the influential right side, hands, body posture. In our course, we not only teach importance but practice through role-play sessions. Join the course and improve your overall communication. For more information, please contact us.